How to see download location on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to see download location on Google Chrome mobile. First you're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and then click these 3 points here in top corner, and now click this one, settings, and now all you need to do is just go down until you find this one, download, and click on it. And here you can see the download location, and it's easy of course, but you can't change it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.